How to get Google on Samsung Smart TV. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily get Google on your Samsung Smart TV. So first, what you can do is to connect by Chromecast or Chromecast Ultra. So connect the ends of your USB power cable to the Chromecast and the other end link to a power source. Insert your Chromecast into the Samsung Smart TV. Open up Google Home app and navigate Home, add Setup Device, Setup New Device. Confirm account and permissions, scan for nearby devices and display on list with Google Home, and then confirm pairing. You get the choice to have future email updates, then tap on Next or Continue, and you are set.